Namaste everyone and a very warm welcome. I'm so happy to have you here for our 15-day Sanskrit reading challenge. Over the next 15 days, we are going to learn something truly exciting. How to look at Sanskrit and actually read it with confidence. And don't worry if Sanskrit looks completely new or unfamiliar to you right now. We are going to start very simply, one letter at a time, with a beautiful Devanagari script. Step by step, we will move from letters to sounds, sounds to words, and words to complete sentences and passages. And here's the best part. You don't need to know Sanskrit grammar to begin with. All we are going to do is learn how to decode what we see, and I will be right here to guide you through every step. So relax, enjoy the journey, and let's discover just how easy Sanskrit reading can be. Are you ready? Let's begin. For day 1, our mission is super straightforward. We are learning to recognize and read the basic Sanskrit vowels, Swaraha. A swara is a sound that can be pronounced completely independently. It doesn't need the help of any other letter to make its sound. They are the core building blocks of speech. Let's dive right in with the absolute simplest, most foundational sound. A. Repeat after me out loud. A. Now, these vowels aren't just random shapes. They come in logical short and long pairs. If we take our short A and add a simple vertical line to it, it transforms into A. Listen to the difference. A, A. Following that same logical pattern, we have our next duo, the short sound E and its longer partner E, which has a little curve added on the top. Say them with me. E, E. Next is our third pair, which looks like a bit the number 3, the short vowel U, and by adding a little tail to the middle, the longer vowel U. Now we have arrived at the next pair, R and R. This beautiful intricate character has a rolling sound. Don't worry if it feels tricky at first, just take a mental snapshot of its shape. R, R. We have an additional Sanskrit letter, a vowel that is not found in Hindi alphabets, and it is called LR and LR. LR, LR. Continuing with our pairs, we have a and with a flag on top, I. Please note here, there is no A sound. After A, it's I. And our final pair is O, and by adding 2 flags on top, it becomes OW. Once you spot the pattern, Sanskrit becomes a puzzle you can easily solve. Here is a complete set of Swaraha in their systematic order. A, I, U, R, L, A, I, O, OW. Let's do a rapid fire recognition challenge. I'll show you a character and you have 3 seconds to identify it. Challenge 1. Which vowel is this? Yes, it is E. Challenge number 2. Notice the vertical line and 2 flags. Which vowel is this? Yes, it is OW. Before we wrap up, there are 2 crucial symbols you will see everywhere. First is the Anuswara. a simple dot sitting above the horizontal line. Second is the visarga, a pair of dots sitting on the right. We will uncover their secrets on day number 6. But for now, just recognize their shapes. Finally, look at these 3 options. Which one is R? Correct, it's that intricate one in the middle. Huge congratulations! You have officially conquered the vowels and earned your virtual achievement badge. You are now a Swara explorer, or as we say in Sanskrit, Swara Anveshi. In the next video, we'll see what happens when you combine these vowels with consonants, the magical secret of Sanskrit mantras. Keep practicing your Swara, and I'll see you in the Day 2 Sanskrit Reading Challenge. Shubhadinam.